The best thing about working with Nancy, she's been with me for very many years, almost as long as Chris, close to 10 years. She's very good with the flow. Sometimes I'm always saying yes to any add-ons and starting treatment, but she sees my schedule and she has my back and says, no, let's just go ahead and temporize that, or you know what, you have other things on your schedule, why don't you just say no? So that's one thing I appreciate about Nancy. She knows how to, take care of my schedule, and she has my back.
Ali, she's always happy. Ali, even yesterday, just offering me lunch. I really appreciate the small things, offering the patients water, offering them blanket if they're cold and all that stuff. It might be small things, but that's always a good thing about Ali is she always finds a way to make each and everyone comfortable.
My favorite thing working with Cynthia is her loyalty, her integrity, her honesty, and her hard work ethic. She's very young, but she's very old school, hard work ethic, and I love that. I don't know what I would have done without Cynthia. I'm so glad she's been with me all these years. I'm very fortunate to have you, Cynthia. I love you very much. Oh, she's extremely frugal. Tighter than tight, but it's all right.
Best thing about working with Tiffany is that she brings a really fun energy to the office. Funniest thing about Tiffany is that her pronunciation with certain words is hysterical. Instead of saying Flo Rida, she says Flo Rita. So I thought that was kind of cool.
Hi Rose, thank you so much for all the wonderful work you've done. You're just splendid, so caring, you make that special effort, so positive. Your energy really, I could feed off of it, and you really inspire all of us. Thank you so much. Patients love you, Rose. Patients really like how you genuinely care, how you take your time to talk to them, and they really appreciate you too, I'm sure.
My favorite thing about Juanita is that she's been working with me for a long time, so she knows everything that I need in the room. She's like my right hand. Sometimes she even gives it to me before I even ask for it. For a dentist, that makes my job so much easier. So on the days that she actually does come to work, I'm just kidding, Juanita. We do really well together.
My favorite thing about working with Jules is that she's funny and she hustles, so that makes my life so much easier, especially when we get really busy and things are chaotic. I like her attitude. She has sass, and with me, I like somebody who keeps me on my toes. So that's really one of the things our personalities mesh well, because she's not timid and I don't frighten her.
My favorite thing about working with Lorena is the fact that she is extremely hardworking. She makes my day go so much better, faster, and she does it all with a smile. She's a pleasure, absolute pleasure to work with. She has a quiet sense of humor that not a whole lot of people, I don't know if a lot of people recognize that, but she is a very funny person, and I just enjoy working with her.
Dora, you do so many things so well. When in treatment, you always know what I'm thinking, sometimes even before I know. You're always one to tell me if there's something that you don't think is right. You're not afraid to let me know, and I really appreciate that, because you actually are my voice of reason when I have my crazy days. So I really appreciate you.
My favorite thing working with Sandra, she makes me laugh. On the day she is here and she's working, she makes me laugh. But Sandra very cares about her staff. She's an excellent assistant. She's highly skilled. I just love working with her.
Thomas is a go-getter, and he is very good at supporting other team members. So if assistants need help somewhere, he knows exactly what they need almost before they need it, and he gets it there for them. He also takes a lot of initiative, and that makes my life very easy when I can borrow him from Dr. Watanabe. Thomas is good with patients. He is very quiet though, but he knows how to handle them and keep them comfortable. So with Thomas, I wouldn't say he's the most vocal patient, but he will make them laugh and he'll chat with them and he'll put them at ease.
Well, my favorite thing about Rosie is, she's so reliable. She's always there, always giving it more than what you can ask for, and she's so happy doing it. You know, I always say, you know, you can't train these things. You know, she's a pleasure to work with and always a good attitude. It just lifts the office up.
Best part about working with Crystal is that this is sort of a joke between us. She's a gangsta from Pomona, and she interacts really well with the kids. We do a lot of treatment together, and she's just a pleasure to work with all the way around.
The best thing about working with Laura is that she truly, truly cares about the patients, and she truly, truly wants to make my life easier so that I have everything I need and everything goes smoothly through the appointment. She's just fun to work with. Laura's really fun to work with.
Masael's great. She's my main treatment assistant, and so she's really great with kids. She's super calm and takes care of business. She's really goofy. She likes to have fun and joke around with kids. Yeah, so she likes to make the kids laugh, so it's always a good time.
The best part of working with Vanessa is how amazing she is with any patient that has just the slightest bit of anxiety. She has a great ability to calm them down and talk them through any procedure. And no one can beat Vanessa in terms of seating a patient. She's the quickest to seat them, and if she needs to, she'll work all chairs.
Sharon, my fellow Pinoy, Sharon. I love working with Sharon because she's really something that you can lean on. Very reliable. And then one thing about Sharon too is everybody, every patient, and even all the staff, you can tell that they're comfortable with Sharon. Like Sharon is really something that you can lean on, and whether it's good, whether it's bad, but overall it's always good.
Nally is great. She's the lead assistant. She's the caretaker of the office and the back office. She really knows how to take care of business and run really smooth back office. So really appreciative of all the hard work that she's put into making this clinic awesome.
My favorite thing about working with Camille is she is a ray of sunshine. She makes work very pleasant and fun. Camille deals with patients like they're her best friend. She makes them comfortable and happy to be here.
So my favorite thing about Tiffany is, well, she has sass, and so she keeps the office very fun and keeps us all entertained. But she is such a hard worker, and no one can disimpact a canine like Tiffany.
My favorite thing about working with Liz is that she is an excellent assistant, and she always has what I need ready, and she's right there with me, and everything goes really smooth. Liz is fabulous with the patients. She cares about them and treats them like gold, and I just love that about her.
Oh, Carlina. Boy, what can I say about Carlina? You know, she's so versatile. She's my go-to person for getting things done. Not only is she a great assistant in the back, but she can, you know, if I need something outside the realm of assisting, like contacting the lab, getting things done, speaking with a patient's parent or something like that, she's the person.
Bobby, you bring such a good energy to our office. You can be fun and spontaneous like a teenager, but also nurturing and motherly at the same time, which is almost impossible. I always know that when I see patients that are anxious and I have to break out in song and dance, you're going to be right there next to me doing the same thing. So I can always count on you, so I appreciate you.
Alright, so my favorite thing about working with Chris, she's been with me for over like 10 years, so she knows, she's always like a few steps ahead of me. I always use her quotes. The test is in the chewing, you know, when I deliver a denture, and no rest for the weary when I'm running around with my head cut off when the schedules are busy. So, you know, we have a good working relationship. I don't even have to say anything. She knows what I'm thinking all the time. So,
I would like to wish you all a happy Dental Assistant Appreciation Week.
I wish you guys a happy Dental Assistant Week.
Happy Dental Assistant Appreciation Week.
All right, I want to wish everybody a happy Dental Appreciation Week. We all appreciate you guys.
I want to wish everyone a happy Dental Assistant Appreciation Week. Thank you for all that you do.
I just want to wish everyone a happy Dental Assistant Appreciation Week. Thank you so much for all you do.
I want to wish you guys a happy and awesome Dental Assistant Week, and thank you for all you guys' hard work.
Happy Dental Assistant Appreciation Week.
Okay, happy Dental Assistant Week, everyone.
To all my assistants, I love you guys, and I really appreciate you guys working really hard for our office, for our team. Happy Dental Assistant Week.
So have a happy Dental Assisting Week, everybody. Thank you. It's a pleasure working with you.
Just want to wish you all a happy Dental Assistant Appreciation Week. Thank you for all you guys do.
Happy Dental Assistant Appreciation Week. We thank you so very much for everything you do for us.
Hey, I just want to wish you all happy Dental Appreciation Week. Thank you all you assistants for all the hard work you do. It's very much appreciated by my doctors, my managers, and my associate doctors.